The third option for this subdivision, this is called Susana. 2-bedroom also, but the lot area compared to Regina is a little larger. It's 100 square meters. So the selling price for this unit is 740,000 pesos. So, again, the same finish. So all the cabinets are already included in the sale, and all the cabinets, this and the countertop. This will be the same finish for the turnover unit for a 2-bedroom Susana. So this is the bedroom option, and this is the bedroom option for the other. So, and one table and bath.
Toilet.
Toilet and bath. Sorry, kept saying table. And the backyard could be expanded, could be used as dirty kitchen again, or garage, or an extension for another bedroom. Saka lang. Dito dyan na tayo lumabas. Ay, dito pala. So the advantage of this subdivision is that first, it is accessible to the road, just a few minutes away. So if they are commuting, so this is good. And they will be building amenities like clubhouse, basketball court, and ano pa ba?
Playground.
Playground. Kids playground. Okay. So, let's move.